for? You know how to hurt better than I do, but I've developed feelings for me rather than for you. For you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you. What am I looking for? This feeling's for you. 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 I'm only looking for.
Is this a game? Is this a game? Always try looking perfect, always try to look good, but is beauty's too painful? I don't know if I should. Everything's so expensive, all the girls are so mean, all this pressure to deal with, and I am just a teen. My friends don't really get me since they have everything. Sometimes I'm trying to fake it cause I wanna fit in. I have to pay my nails, curl my hair to be sweet, acting like someone else, always feeling complete. Is this a game? I have to play. Why should I
stretch marks, they run through my body. Don't like what you see, but I don't give a block the thoughts I used to have that I'm not worthy. Someday messy hair, but I don't really care. You know it's really not a competition. I want an only limited edition. So who are you to judge? 'Cause I know